All right. Well, we're going to try to make some headway out of this room. We're going to transform it. We're going to make it the dream room. So this is what it looks like now. It is Wednesday, November 28th. Wow. 2012. So, this happened to be my catch-all room, computer room, bookkeeping room, filing room. So we're going to make it different. I'm going to transform this somehow, some way, and we'll see how long it takes starting now. Well, continuing on with my room makeover, that intro was made, as you saw, back in November of 2012. Well, it is now April of 2018. And I finally got back to doing this. After doing all those other videos you've seen here, I thought, well, back to this room. So I put up the closet doors, and now I'm working on the wainscoting. Next will be the floor. So after a few years of a delay, we're back at it. Making progress. The towel's all down now. Now I just have to grout. And that's a sample of my baseboard and shoe molding that I'll put up. And here's the mixtures. Different quantities of thin set and grout to water. Now this is based on the Home Depot's brand. I think it's custom. And this is the grout brand. And just take your sponge, smooth out those grout lines. Now I'm using 2 sponges and 2 buckets of water. Now the second time you just want to go over it one time. You can even use your edge in your sponge. Now we just do this about 100 times to get the rest of the floor done. Then we'll finish it off with some shoe molding. I'm done. I'm done with the room. Here it's the middle of June 2018, and I think I have it done. The floor's in, closet doors replaced, wainscoting. Think it's all done. I'm done. Transform this room, and it's only middle of June 2018. Well, that didn't take too long. What did I do? Start November of 2012? Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next project.